How to buy your first rental property step by step. Buying your first rental property can be life changing. It can create passive income, help you build wealth, and set you on the path to financial freedom. But many people never start because they feel overwhelmed. If you have ever thought about owning rental properties but did not know where to start, this video is for you. I am going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, from finding the right property to getting your first tenants. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap for buying your first rental property the right way. Step 1 is understanding rental properties. Before buying a rental property, you need to understand what makes a property profitable. A good rental property should generate positive cash flow. This means the rent you collect should be higher than your mortgage, taxes, and maintenance cost. The best rental property are in areas with high demand, low vacancy rates, and good appre- applications potential. Location is key. And step 2 is checking your finance. Before you start looking for a property, you need to check your credit score and savings. A higher credit score will help you get better loans rate. You will also need a down payment, usually around 20% for an investment property. Lenders will also check your debt to income ratio so paying off exciting debt can help you qualify for better loans. And a step third is choosing the right location. Location is the most important factor in real estate. A great property in a bad areas don't make you money. Look for area with job growth, population growth, low crime rates, good school, high rental demands. Check rental price in the areas to make sure they cover your expenses and leave you with a profit. And step 4 is finding the right property. Once you have a location, start looking for properties that fit your budget and goals. The best way to find rental property is through real estate website and real estate agents and foreclosures and auctions. Networking with other investors. Look for properties that need minimal repair and can start generating incomes quickly. And step 5 is analyzing the number. Before making an offer, you need to analyze the property's financial. The key numbers to check are purchase price. How much does the property cost? And monthly rent. How much can you charge? And expenses. Mortgage, taxes, insurance, repair, and maintenance is expenses. And cash flow, the money left after paying expenses. A simple rule is the 1% rule. If the monthly rent is at least 1% of the purchase price, it is a good deal. And step 6 is getting financing. Most people don't buy rental property with cash, so you will likely need a loan. The most common financing options are conventional loans, FHA loans. If you plan to live in part of the property, and private lenders, and seller financing. Compare interest rates and terms to find the best loan for your situation. And step 7 is making an offer. Once you find a good deal, make an offer. Work with a real estate agent to negotiate the best price. Always get a property inspection to avoid unexpected problems. If your offer is accepted, you will need to go through the closing process, which includes sign legal documents and getting your mortgage finalized. And step 8 is preparing for tenants. Before renting out your property, make sure it is in good condition. Cleans the property, make necessary repairs, and set a competitive rent price. Screen your tenants carefully by checking their credit, rental history, and incomes. A good tenant will pay on time and take care of your property. And step 9 is managing the property. You can manage the property yourself or hire a property management company. Managing it yourself saves money, but it requires time and effort. Property managers handle rent collection, repairs, and tenants issue for a small fees. Either way, make sure to set aside money for maintenance and unexpected repairs. And step 10 is growing your portfolio. Once your first rental property is successful, you can use the income to buy more properties. Many investors use the BRRR method: buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat to grow their portfolio quickly. Over time, rental income can replace your 9 to 5 job and give you financial freedom. Buying your first rental property might seem overwhelming, but if you follow these steps, you can do it successfully. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more real estate investing tips. Let me know in the comments if you are planning to buy your first rental property.